boys and girls, it's Miss Murphy. Today our math lesson is called 10 Bears on a Bus. It's our lesson from Chapter 5, Unit 3.3. Okay, let's get ready. Remember, for at-home learning, you need to find a quiet spot, a spot where you can do your best work, and you need to have a good attitude. Remember, just try your best. Remember that you need to listen to the entire video so you know what to do when it's your turn, and to try your hardest and keep all your materials in one spot. Before we start calendar, let's make sure we're ready. Say eyes watching, ears listening, voices quiet, body still. Good job. Can you help Miss Murphy count these green rectangles to find out what day of December it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. I heard you say 10 because 10 is the number that comes after 9. I'm going to move over our number 10 rectangle to our calendar. Oh, Miss Murphy accidentally made it really big, but that's okay. Accidents happen. I'll just try again. There we go. Whoa, I made it really big, didn't I? Let's get it back down. Now it's too small. There, now I can move it over. Ten is being tricky. He doesn't want to come over to our calendar. There we go. Let's read today's date together. Say today is December 10th, 2020. Good. Repeat after me. Say today is Thursday. Say yesterday was Wednesday. Say tomorrow is Friday. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Good job. I'm really glad I just made a mistake during calendar so that I could show you that it's okay. We all make mistakes, but we can move on and grow from them. Let's go ahead and count how many days we have been in kindergarten. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wow, I can hear you counting. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82. Very good. We have now been in school for 82 days. What number comes after 1? That's right. I heard Rain say 2. Now I will write a 2 for the ones place and we'll get a straw. We have 2 straws in our ones place and 8 groups of 10 in our tens place. Great job counting with me. Remember that the month is still called December. Can you say December? That's right. And the season is still fall. Very good. Okay, now let's get ready. Today, the only material you are going to need is your Turn and Talk partner. So go ahead and find your Turn and Talk partner and find your thinking brain. Good job. Let's read our objective together. Repeat after me. Say, I can make different combinations of 10. Can you show me 10 fingers? Great job. Our big idea questions today are, what do you notice about the number of yellow bears on the bus? If there are a lot of red bears, and what combinations of bears did you use to make 10? Before we get into those questions, let's start with a video. All right, let's watch it.
I like to make 10 again and again. I like to make 10 again and again. So many combinations. I like to make 10. 0 plus 10 makes 10. 1 plus 9 makes 10. 2 plus 8 makes 10. 3 plus 7 makes 10. 4 plus 6 makes 10. 5 plus 5 makes 10. 6 plus 4 makes 10. 7 plus 3 makes 10. 8 plus 2 makes 10. 9 plus 1 makes 10. 10 plus 0 makes 10. I like to make 10 again and again. I like to make 10 again and again. So many combinations. I like to make 10. 0 plus 10 makes 10. 1 plus 9 makes 10. 2 plus 8 makes 10. 3 plus 7 makes 10. 4 plus 6 makes 10. 5 plus 5 makes 10. 6 plus 4 makes 10. 7 plus 3 makes 10. 8 plus 2 makes 10. 9 plus 1 makes 10. 10 plus 0 makes 10. I like to make 10 again and again. I like to make 10 again and again. So many combinations. I like to make 10.
Very good. So that should get you thinking that today you are going to be making different combinations of 10. Let's think back to when we were in school, in our classroom. We practiced making combinations of 10 with our 10 bean spill game. So remember, you had a cup of beans, and the beans were different colors. On one side they were blue, on the other side they were green. You would shake up your cup and pour on your 10 frame. You would say maybe you had 3 blue beans and 7 green beans. That made 10. We use 10 frames all the time in math and every day in calendar. We use this 10 frame every time that we count how many days we've been in kindergarten. Our first day of kindergarten, we only had 1 box filled and 9 empty boxes. We keep going every day. Let's build some background knowledge. Thumbs up if you've ever seen one of these before. I see a lot of thumbs up. What is this called? That's right, it's a school bus. Thumbs up if you've ever rode on a school bus before. Most of us have rode on a school bus, but some of us haven't. but that's okay. We've all at least seen a school bus at least once in our lives. Today, we will be playing a game called 10 Bears on a Bus. So, do you see my school bus here? Good. Do you see my bears? You're right. I have red bears and yellow bears. What we will do is figure out if I have a certain number of red bears on a bus, how many yellow bears can fit. Our bus has 10 seats. Can you show me 10? Good. Let's count the 10 seats on our bus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. So what I will do is read the red number in the corner. That's the number 1. That tells Miss Murphy that 1 red bear can fit on my bus. So let me exit out of here. I'm going to move 1 red bear to sit on the bus. And then I will say there is 1 red bear on the bus. Now I have to figure out how many yellow bears can fit on the bus with that red bear. So I'm going to count the empty seats to find out how many yellow bears can fit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow, I can fit 1 red bear on the bus and then 9 yellow bears. Watch me count out my 9 yellow bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1 red bear and 9 yellow bears makes 10 bears. 10 bears can fit on the bus. Only 1 red and 9 yellow. Okay, boys and girls, watch me do 1 more. I'm going to get my turn and talk partner so he can help me. Whoa, dog. It says 8 red bears can fit on the bus. Bear, first, what do we have to do? That's right, Bear. We have to put 8 red bears, that's right, Dog. We have to put 8 red bears on the bus. Dog, can you help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dog, there are 8 red bears on the bus because that is a red 8. It told me to put 8 red bears on the bus. Okay, Dog. Now we have to find out how many yellow bears can fit on the bus. Point to our thinking brain. That's right. We need to count the empty seats. Dog, help me count. 1, 2. 2 yellow bears can fit on the bus, Miss Murphy. Okay, let's try. 1, 2. Let's check, Dog. Do we have all the bus seats filled? Yes, good job. Do we have 8 red bears? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, good job, Dog. Did we fill the empty seats? Yes. So we can say, Dog, 8 red bears and 2 yellow bears make 10. High five your friends. Boys and girls, let's try one together. Find your turn and talk partner. Let me pull you in a little closer so you can see. Okay, I hope you have your turn and talk partner now. First, let's look at the red number. What number is that? Turn and tell your neighbor. That looks like you doing this. That number is 5. You turn and tell your neighbor. Good. Give me 5. Good. Now we will put 5 red bears on the bus. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are we all done? No, you're right. Miss Murphy has to count out 5 red bears. So far, I only have 1, 2, 3, 4. I need one more. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does that match this number? Thumbs up if yes, thumbs down if no. I see a lot of thumbs up. Okay, now find your turn and talk partner. There are 5 red bears on the bus. How many yellow bears can fit on the bus? Tell your neighbor, how many yellow bears can fit? I heard some good answers. But before we just do it, let's count how many empty seats there are because we have to fill up the bus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many of you said 5 yellow bears could fit on the bus? I see a lot of hands up. Kiss your brain. You're working hard. Let's move our 5 yellow bears to the bus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, dog, we have 10 seats on the bus. When we have 5 red bears and 5 yellow bears, we make 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Let's do one more together now. Okay, start by looking at this red number. Turn and tell your neighbor what number that is. Give me 5. I heard lots of boys and girls say that's the number 3. So let's start by putting 3 red bears on the bus. 1, 2, 3. Now I want you to count the empty seats because all the seats have to get filled. How many seats are empty? I hear you counting. Good job. Now turn and tell your neighbor, how many yellow bears can fit on the bus? Give me 5. I heard lots of great ideas. Let's count the empty seats together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's move 7 yellow bears to our bus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good, boys and girls. Now let's say the number sentence together. Repeat after me. Say 3 red bears and 7 yellow bears makes 10 bears. Good job. Now let's try with our fingers. Can you show me 3 fingers to show the 3 red bears? 1, 2, 3. Now let's count out 7 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many total fingers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did we make 10 bears fit on the bus? Thumbs up. Kiss your brain. Okay, now let's see our success criteria, or how we will know if we learned this. Okay, let's look at the success criteria. First, you have to read the red number and then put that many red bears on the bus. Then you need to count the empty seats and put that many yellow bears on the bus. Finally, you have to say the number sentence, like 2 red bears and 8 yellow bears make 10 bears. Okay, boys and girls, now it's your turn. First, remember, look at the red number. Then you will do this one. Then you will do one more. I will send these to you to practice at home. Let's review our objective. Remember, our objective was to make different combinations of 10. So we did that by first doing 2 red bears and 8 yellow bears. And then that made 10. Then we tried another one with 3 red bears and 7 yellow bears, which also made 10. So let's think. Turn and tell your talking buddy, what you were learning today in math. What are you learning today in math, dog? Yeah, turn and tell your buddy what you learned in math today. Give me 5. I heard SB say he learned different ways to make 10. Good. Now turn and tell your talking partner or your stuffed animal how you feel about figuring out combinations of 10. Was it, I got this? I need a little more practice. Or I need a lot of help. Turn and tell your neighbor. I got this. I can make combinations of 10 in different ways. Give me 5. I see a lot of friends have their thumbs up. I'm so glad that you can make different combinations of 10. I see some friends with their thumb to the side. That's okay. In a moment, you'll get to practice 3 more times to make combinations of 10. Let's look at our big idea questions. What did you notice about the number of yellow bears on the bus if there were a lot of red bears? So if there are a lot of red bears, can there be very many yellow? Think about that. And how can knowing combinations of 10 help you do math? Think, how is it helpful to know that 1 and 9 make 10, and that 5 and 5 make 10? Why would that be helpful? Turn and tell someone at home why that would be helpful. Very good. You'll type that answer into the next box. Right there. Boys and girls, you did such a great job listening and practicing different ways to make 10. I'm so proud of you. You also did a great job staying on task. I noticed that you were watching the screen, you were counting with Miss Murphy, and soon you will practice again by yourself. Don't forget to submit your assignment to me and to do your reading and OG for Thursday as well. It was so much fun getting to talk to you and interact with you. I can't wait to see you at our Google Meet and tomorrow when we meet again for math. Bye, friends. See you next time.